Hello everyone. I will be starting chapter 7 of D2 7th edition in this lesson, and I am going to discuss the concept of relation and function, uh, concept of domain, codomain and range in this lecture. So starting from the concept first of all, then I will move on towards exercise. So relation or function, how you can how basically you can identify what is a relation, what is a function. A relation is any type of, you can say, relation we have in day-to-day life, like suppose uh, Hamza, no, he is a friend of Fahad. So Hamza is a friend of Fahad. No, this is a relation between these two. Similarly, we have some other boys says Farhan, and here then you have got another one says Ali, and here you have Dave, and then you have John. So no, Ali is a friend of Dave, Farhan is a friend of John. Okay, and this is basically the relation between these boys. They are friend of each other. Now this one is known as domain, the first set, while this one is called codomain. This is domain, set of Hamza, Ali and Farhan, while this set is codomain. Now whether this is a function or a relation, now let me discuss that. If you observe well, let me tell you one more thing, that the elements here in the codomain. Now the elements are like Fahad, Dev and John, they are termed as image. Like Fahad is an image of Hamza, Dev is an image of Farhan, and John is an image of Ali. So if every element in the domain has a unique image in the range, then this is a function. Now let me explain it in a better way. If you write it in the form of ordered pair, Hamza and Fahad, this is one of the pair. Then you have Farhan and Dev, this is the second pair, and then Ali and John, this is the third pair. Now in set form you can write them like this. Now here in this case, Hamza, Farhan and Ali, they are representing domain. Now if domain is not repeating, if these elements are not repeating in ordered pairs, then this is a function. If domain is not repeating, I mean to say Hamza is only once. In all these ordered pair, Hamza should come once, then Farhan is once, Ali is once, and Hamza should not come once again. It should not be present with any other in any other ordered pair in the domain. So if domain is not repeating, mean Hamza, Farhan and Ali, they are ones. So no, that is a function. No, we can say that Hamza, Farhan and Ali, they have distinct image, unique image. Hamza had got Fahad as its image, Farhan has got Dev as its image, and Ali has got John as its image. Now these are basically elements of codomain. codomain, and we name them as range. Codomain, and Fahad, Dev and John, they are also part of range. Now this is an example of function when this is not going to be a function. Suppose I say that Farhan is a friend of John, but Farhan is also a friend of Dev. No, Farhan has got two images. Farhan has got John as one of its image. Farhan has got Dev as another image, as an image. Now when the elements in domain, they have got more than one image, like Farhan has got two images, that is no more a function, that is a relation. And if you can write them in ordered pair form in set notation, in ordered pair, Hamza is to Fahad, Hamza and Fahad. Then we have Farhan and Dev. We have a pair of Farhan, excuse me for the spelling mistake, Farhan and Dev. Then Farhan and John. Now here we have got a problem. Farhan, John, and the last one is Ali to Dev. Ali to Dev. So I am concerned here about the domain. Hamza, Farhan, Ali. Now this is problem. When your domain is repeating, now this is no more a function. Now this is no more a function. This is only a relation. So this is the basic concept of function and relation. The elements in this set, no, they are this is called domain, and this set is known as codomain. While the concept of range is that if you will form ordered pairs, then these elements that are at the second place, Fahad, Dev and John, they form the part of range. So this is basic concept of the function. Now starting from question number 1, each of the following relations has the set of integers 2, 4, 6, 8 as its domain. Yes, that is right. We have 2, 4, 6, 8. These integers are basically the domain of the following sets. Now state whether each of the following arrow diagrams, we also name them arrow diagram, defines a function. If the answer is no, state the reason. Okay, I'm going to talk about A. Part A, question number 1. Part A. Well, you have we have got the set where we have got this one 2, 4, 6, 8 as domain, and we have got 1 and 2 as range. Now what is basically happening here? The image of 2 is 1, the image of 4 is 1. The 2 has a distinct, a unique image, 4 has its own image, then 6 has got an image 2, and 8 has got an image 2. And if you will write them in ordered pair, each of them has one image. 2 has got one image, 4 has got one unique image, 6 has got its own unique image 2, and 8 has also got its own image, that is 2. And in ordered pair form, 2 to 1, 2 to 1, then you have got 4 to 1, then you have got 6 to 1, and then 8 to 1. Now this is a function. The main point is to see whether your domain elements, they are repeating or not. 2, 4, 6, 8. So domain is not repeating. I don't mind if the range is repeating. Well, that is different type of functions. Then we have different type of functions. Range is 1, 1, 2. So range is repeating. Actually, the range is 1, 2. So we are not concerned with the repetition of range as far as the definition of function is concerned. That is basically repetition of range gives us different types of function then later on. But here it is, this is a function. This relation is a function because domain 2, 4, 6, 8, it is not repeating. 2 has got its one image, 4 has got its one image, 6 has got its one image, 8 has got its one image. So this is a function. So yes, the answer is yes, this is a function. Whereas part B suggests, I'm using the same diagram. Now 2 has got two images, na? Here you can see. No, this is not a function. 2 has got an image A and 2 has got another image B. Now when an element in domain has got two images, then that is no more a function. The reason is the domain, no, that is repeating. No, 2 come twice. 4 has got its image as C, 6 has got its image, 8 has got its image as D. So basically the 2 that has got two images, and that's why the domain is no repeating. So this is no more a function. So the answer is no, this is not a function. And the reason is that 2 has got, we have got 2 has got two images, that is the fact, got two images, and that's why it is not a function. The next one is part C and D. Part C says we have got a set of integers where 2, 4, 6, 8 is the domain and 1, 2, 3 that is the codomain. Well, 2 in part number C, now 2 has got an image 1, 4 has got its image as 2, 6 has got an image 2, and 8 has got an image 3. Now every element in the domain has its own image, and none of these elements in the domain, no one in the domain has got two images. So this is a function. Yes, this is a function. This is domain, this is codomain, and well, 1, 2, 3 is also the range in this case, because it is not necessary that the elements of codomain also, they are also part of the range. Sometimes it is equal to the elements of codomain, sometimes it is not. Here the codomain is 1, 2, 3 and the range is also 1, 2, 3. The next one is part number D. So you just need to look at the domain, elements of domain, whether any one of them has got two images. So 2 has got an image, that is P. This is P, an image of 2, and 4 has got an image P, then 6 has got an image R, and 8 has got an image R. So this is a function. You can write them in ordered pair form. The set, this one as 2P, the first ordered pair, 4P, the second one 6R, and 8R. Now the domain 2, 4, 6 and 8. The domain is not repeating, and that is a function. Repetition of range is not required as far as the definition of function is concerned. Well, that is, that forms a type of function if the range is repeating. But as far as domain is concerned, domain is not repeating. Each element has got a single image, a unique one, and that's why this is a function. So yes, the answer for D is yes, this is a function. So part number E, question number 1, exercise 7a. Now 2 has got an image that is 1. The problem here is that 4 has no image. So 6 has got an image 2 and 8 has got an image 3. Okay. Well, we have images, and each element in the domain has its own image, but the problem here is that 4 has no image, and this will cause him to be not a function, because in function every element in domain has some image, and that is a unique one. So every element 2, 6, 8, they have got their images, but 4 has not got any. That's why this is not a function. What about part number F? So 2 has got an image, yes. 4 has got an image, 2 has got an image, S 4 has got an image, R 6 has got an image, P 8 has got an image, Q. So you can see that none of the elements in domain has got more than one image, and the domain is not repeating. If you will write the set in this form in ordered pairs, 2s 4r 6p and then 8q. Now this 2, 4, 6, 8, these elements are the domain elements in the domain, so they are not repeating, and every element in domain has got a single image in the codomain. So that is the definition of function. So this is solution for question number 1 of exercise 7a. If you have any query, you can comment. Thank you so much.